This is the second video in our series on technologies for staffless lobbies of manufacturing offices or buildings. A staffless lobby is one in which no employees are stationed in the building lobby to greet or process guests. In the first video in this series, we outline the unique challenges that manufacturing buildings need to consider when choosing a staffless lobby. In this video, we will discuss some of the options available to address the challenges relating to visitor management. A visitor management solution can address many of the challenges for manufacturing companies who choose a staffless lobby. Visitor management technology can provide coverage 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, at a fraction of the cost of full-time staff. Replace paper sign-in sheets and forms with electronic documents and visitor check-ins, which are trackable and searchable. Automate the greeting of visitors, collection of documentation and forms, and watching of safety videos to ensure every visitor is compliant with your visitor policies. And lastly, automate the visitor screening process to ensure anyone designated on your Do Not Allow list or the U.S. Consolidated Watch List are not allowed automated entry to the building. These are just a few of the key features available through visitor management software that can assist manufacturing companies automate and secure their office buildings. If you have questions about these or other visitor management features and would like to speak with one of our manufacturing sector lobby automation experts, contact us at 70-2284-7300 or email sales@alicereceptionist.com.